I was confused in between, very uncomfortable, gusting up to 25, 35 knots at times, and then down again to sort of 15, 10. It was all over the show. We had a tough day, and both Derek and myself were feeding the fishes a fair bit that day. And then that night we reefed in the main two reefs. Had only the Stosama was down, the name the Genoa was down. And then yesterday, again it was a strange sort of day, very pleasant. But now it's beautiful. We ended up last night having a thunderstorm, lightning and everything else like that. Incredible all around us. And we kept on getting stuck in doldrums. We're going nowhere and the boat was just rolling. When I came up to do my night shift at 3 o'clock, we just were sitting there and it was so uncomfortable. And then by about 4:30, conditions changed and we started to get a bit of a breeze and it was nice. So let's continue on, and it actually seems to have been getting better still. Where are we? I don't know. Somewhere down off the New South Wales coast. I know that we passed Coss Harbour yesterday. Probably heading down to Newcastle, maybe even further. I don't know, maybe off Sydney. I'll check with Denny later, see if we can have a look at the maps and so on, and just see where things are looking like. But yep, land away that way somewhere.